Hi Hans, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy, welcome, and today we are doing full face of Jouer products. I have whole table of their products in front of me, so we're gonna dig into them in a second. And before I'm gonna roll the intro, I just wanna remind you about my giveaway in my nurse video. I'm gonna link this in the description box down below, so go check this out. Girl, I have quite a lot of products in front of me, but I'm gonna start with Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I know I'm jumping on this train so late, but recently I got back to watching Nikkie Tutorials, and that lady is obsessed with this concealer, and I said like, fuck it, if it's good for her, it should be good for me. And before I'm gonna apply this on my face, let's quickly have a look what the brand has to say about this. Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealers offers full coverage with hyaluronic acid and oh my god, these names are killing me. Resveratrol, well, however you pronounce this ingredient, to achieve a creaseless, soft matte finish while correcting and smoothing skin imperfections. Well, we're gonna see about that in a second. It comes in this quite huge bottle, just to compare with my Fenty. So Fenty looks like a little sister, and inside you have 4.14 mils, and Fenty has 8 mils. So in the smaller bottle you have almost double the amount of the product. What's the tea, Christy? Like, Jouer, are you playing us? I'm not for it. For the same price point, you are giving us only half of the product? Girl, it's not a good start. Let's give it a try. Allegedly, it's super full coverage, so I'm gonna try to cover my tattoo on my finger. So when you apply just one layer, well, obviously you see this, so I'm gonna try to blend this. And when you blend this, tattoo comes back. So I'm gonna apply another one. And by the way, it comes in 25 shades. And I got shade Custard, the same that Nikkie Tutorial is using. And she's saying she's a pale bitch, but I'm thinking this concealer is too dark for me. So if she thinks she's pale, I'm basically a Casper the Friendly Ghost. Well, okay, the tattoo disappeared, but the concealer itself is quite thick, and you see there's some product on your hand. So I'm just gonna quickly take this off and let's see how it goes on my face. I already put a Fenty Pro Filt'r foundation all over my face except my under eye area. When you apply the concealer, you feel this is super creamy thick formula. This side I'm gonna blend with my beauty blender. Okay, it melts with the skin better than I thought. Okay, I'm not mad at this concealer. I thought the shade not gonna be right and it's gonna be too thick, too cakey, but it looks quite good, at least in the mirror. And now this side I'm gonna blend with my soft blurring brush from Urban Decay. Okay, I don't know if you see the difference on camera, but in the mirror the brush side is thinner, is more natural. But we are going for super full coverage today, so I'm gonna apply a little bit more and go over with the beauty blender. Okay, my first thought is super thick, it's super creamy, but it blends nicely with the skin. I don't see any creasing, although we didn't set, but let's be real, I kept this on my face for like 3 minutes. And now I'm gonna go with the powder on top of it. I'm gonna use Soft Focus Hydrate Plus Set Powder, and it comes in this lovely luxury packaging. And inside, hello Gucci moment, you have this monogram heavily inspired by Gucci. The powder itself is so silky and so soft on the fingers. I cannot wait to feel this on my face. But before that, let's see what the brand has to say about this. Silky setting and finishing powder in 6 demi-matte shades to perfect and extend makeup wear, reduce shine and blur imperfections for the exquisite photo-ready real skin finish. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, allantoin and vitamin E. Well, you get quite a lot of good ingredients inside, so let's see how it'll go on my face. The only thing is, I wish it came with a little brush or a little puff that you can, you know, have inside and do a little touch up during the day. But it is what it is. I'm gonna use my powder brush from Kat Von D. And first I'm gonna set my under eye area. It goes on the skin so nicely, so smoothly. You know what? When you swatch this on the fingers is beyond silky smooth, but my face actually feels quite cakey and I don't see much of the blurring effect. So far I'm not happy with this powder. I'm gonna give it a one more try on my bare face. Maybe it just doesn't sit well with my Fenty. But even my under eyes, I prefer them without the powder at all. So, sorry Jouer, this powder is a no-go for me. Oh, and by the way, I have another good nail day. Thank you Primark. And now let's go for the sets. I have Funfetti. It was on sale on Beauty Bay, so I paid for this like £5-7, something like that. And inside I have mini highlight, shimmer eye topper and lip topper. And I got this set from the JJet-Set collection and oh my god, the packaging is insane. Hello Louis Vuitton luggage. It feels so luxurious and I'm gonna be honest, I just got this because I love the box. And inside I have a lip cream, lip topper and lip liner. Oh my god, it's so damn pretty! And as you can see, I didn't get any eyeshadows. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. By the way, my review of Alyssa Edwards palettes gonna be linked in the description box down below. I didn't get any eyeshadow palettes and to be honest, I was scrolling down the website but I didn't find anything interesting. Everything's so basic, so boring and I didn't feel like spending my money on something that I'm not gonna be excited to use at all. And recently they launched the new summer collection with more colorful palette, but still it's so boring, it's so basic, so I didn't get this. But maybe for the final look I'm gonna dig again to Alyssa Edwards palettes because this one is amazing and I wanna play with this a little bit more. But before that, let's put a little bit contour and a highlight because my face is flat. It's like my boobies. Okay, so let's dig into the highlight. I'm gonna use the one from the set and the name of it is Funfetti. And oh my god, the packaging. I think it was from the winter collection because it looks like a Christmas star. And the highlight itself is this iridescent pink moment. And I like its cold tone because it's gonna work better with my skin shade. Bitch. Okay, I need a bigger mirror because I cannot fit my fat face here. Okay, we are definitely glowing to the gods. My to-go pink highlight was Fenty Water Brad, but Fenty who? Oh my god, it's so stunning. I'm gonna put all over my lids as well. You know what? With this highlight, I'll just add maybe eyeliner, some mascara, and that's a ready eye look. And so far, the highlight is my favorite Jouer product. And now let's dig into the JJet-Set set. It comes in few different shades, and I'm guessing it's gonna be on sale soon because they also had makeup pouches from this line. They look exactly like the Gucci, and they are already on sale on Beauty Bay, so probably the set will join this soon. And I just lost my pencil. I'm back, crisis over. I'm not a big lip liner girl because I'm too lazy. I just want to put a little bit of lip gloss and go. But sometimes I use lip liners, especially when I want to overdraw my lips or I want to make them symmetrical, because this side of my lips is a little bit smaller. So now I'm gonna be quiet and apply the lip liner. Okay, lip liner is quite nice. It's not the best I've tried, but it's definitely not the worst. Am I gonna use it again? Probably not. But it looks like a quite nice metallic lipstick if you need this in your life. And now I'm gonna go over with the Opal Longwear Cream. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. This is too metallic for me. It's not my shade. Is it pretty? Well, it is. It's gonna look nice on the pictures, especially when you have a little bit more tan on. But I don't know. At first I was like, no thank you ma'am. But now, the longer I'm looking at it, I was like, okay, maybe. So probably in half an hour I'm gonna be like, ooh, girl. Off camera, I've applied Pat McGrath Blitz Blue eye pencil and mascara in Extreme Black. And that would be my final look, but we have one more product to try, which is this Ultra Foil Liquid Shimmer Eye Topper. I'm gonna be honest, I think it's gonna be too much, but just to test this, I'm gonna apply this on my eyes as well. It's this silvery iridescent glitter, and I'm gonna apply this a little bit in my outer corner and in my inner corners as well. I think it's easier to apply with the brush than with the applicator that it comes with. And this is the final look. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this. And now I'm gonna go quickly through all the products that we test today. So first one is Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer, the longest name ever. Well, if you need this super coverage, you can go for this. It's creamy, it's quite heavy, but to be honest, I prefer Fenty or Jeffree concealer so much more, and for sure I'm not gonna purchase this one anymore, and I'm gonna keep this only for my looks for Instagram, and for me this is too heavy to wear every day. The next product is the one that I was most excited about, is Soft Focus Hydrate Plus Set Powder. I had super high hope for this. I had the one in shade light, but it doesn't look good on the skin. It feels amazing on the fingers, so silky, so smoothly, but on the face it's super cakey. Don't waste your money. Disappointment. Then we have Funfetti set. It's quite pretty, but out of the whole set, I'm most happy with the highlight. And if it's still available as a solo product, I would definitely recommend to grab this. It gives you this nice cold tone pink sheen to your face. And this is my favorite product from the brand. Then we get the JJet-Set set. The packaging is stunning. I'm gonna keep the packaging for sure for my jewelry. As far as the lip products goes, well, the lip liner, it's not bad, it's not good, it's just mwah. The creamy lipstick, it's too metallic, it's not something I would like to wear every day, but it's not sticky at all. So if you like those opal metallic finish on the lips, go for it. And the last product in the set is this Funfetti lip topper. And actually this is the same one that I have in my Funfetti set, but we haven't tried this yet. So let's give it a quick go. I'm just gonna apply this a little bit in the middle of my lips. Okay, it's a nice pink iridescent moment, but with the metallic lip liner and this opal lipstick is definitely too much. But it's quite nice. I'm not mad at this. I'm gonna keep those as a lip gloss. But overall, Jouer, I'm not blown away. Highlight, yes. The lip topper as a lip gloss, yes. Concealer, I get if you are super full coverage gal, that's gonna be your to-go concealer, but I prefer something more comfortable, something lighter on my face. That's why it's not for me. And the rest of the products, girl, I want my refund. I want my refund right now. And I think that it has. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please click the subscribe button, give me thumbs up, show me some love, show me some support, and don't forget about my giveaway in next video. Bye!